Show that the complex function f of z cube is analytic everywhere. In order to show that this function z cube is analytic everywhere means the Cauchy-Riemann conditions are verified. Let f of z be the complex function, that is z cube. We know that the real and imaginary parts to the function u and v, here u plus iv is the complex function f of z. We know that the complex variable z, that is in the form x plus iy whole cube. Now expand this expression according to a plus b whole cube. We know that a cube means x cube plus b cube means iy whole cube plus 3a square b means x square iy plus 3ab square means 3x iy square. Simplify this expression in terms of real part and imaginary parts. X cube and the last term only given us a real part of the function, since I square is -1. The imaginary part will be I cube means I square into I, that is -iy cube. When we have taken the common factor I from these two terms, it will be 3x square y -y cube. By comparison, the real part is x cube -3xy square. Here we have I, the coefficients of I, v equal to 3x square y -y cube. U is called real part of the function, v is called the imaginary part of the function. To show this function analytic everywhere, we need to consider the first order partial derivative to the real part of the function and the imaginary part of the function. We have the Cauchy-Riemann conditions, dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to negative dou v by dou x. When these two conditions are verified, then this function is analytic everywhere. Now consider dou u by dou x. X cube derivative partially with respect to x, 3x square minus 3 constant, y square treated constant, x derivative with respect to x1. Thus we have obtained dou u by dou x as 3x square negative 3y square. Again consider dou u by dou y. The first term doesn't contains y, it is a treated constant, derivative 0, negative 3x constant, where x treated constant, 3 general constant, y square derivative 2y, negative 3x into 2y, negative 6xy. Similarly, we consider dou v by dou x, 3x square derivative 6x, while y is constant. Second term doesn't contain the variable x, it is a treated constant whose derivative obviously 0. Thus we have obtained dou v by dou x as 6xy. Dou v by dou y, the first and second term contains the variable y. We have 3x square constant, y derivative with respect to y1, it is 3x square, negative y cube derivative with respect to y, 3y square. One can compare dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. The first condition is verified. Second condition, dou u by dou y equal to negative dou v by dou x. This condition also satisfied. Therefore, Cauchy-Riemann equations are satisfied in the entire domain. Hence, the complex function z cube is analytic everywhere.